Hello, this is a video on how to configure your keypad slash gaming pad to play retro games. Alright, first go to APK apps, go to retro games, press OK. And you see load games. If you go to the bottom and you see key gamepads input setup, press OK. Then you go to auto detect device, press OK, and then push a key on any input device, enter its configure menu, press OK again, and then this when you go to set gamepad keys. Alright, you see up, right, down, and left is already set. Let me bad this up a little bit. Alright, you want to go down to select, press OK, and then I will use backspace for select. Go to start, press OK. I will use enter for start. Press OK. I will enter F10 for A. Press OK. Enter back for B. Press OK. You enter, I guess, F11 for X. Press OK, and you enter P for Y. For the left top button, you can just pick whatever button you want because you really won't need it. And once you get done configuring that, you press your escape button. Escape. And you go up to games, load games, go to SNES. This is where all your games at. And my favorite game is Final Fights. The joystick is configured where I can play. Final Fight 3 is one of my favorite games. And remember the keys. Like enter is start. Like press enter again and it's configured. Enter. Enter. And this. See? I'm in the ball game. I want to slap somebody in the head right now. Oh, snap. Bruh, I'm only playing with one hand. But y'all get the point. And if you want to change games, press menu. And you can just go to any game you want, load up another game if you want to. But that's about it. I mean, if you have a hard time of figuring this out, rewind the video. Watch it again. It's like riding a bike. Appreciate you watching the video and enjoy.